Yes, sir.
Yes. So
It's
you have
not
to do that.
visible for me.
Okay.
Now I
Okay.
can see. Yeah.
Oh, yes, yes. It takes 2 seconds. Yes. So this is the we have to assign accounts which was being created by us GL accounts is there. No, we have to assign the GL accounts with respect to assignment of accounts for the automatic posting. So in this step, what we are going to do is we have to whatever the GL accounts we have been created plant and machinery, depreciation on plant and machinery, sale on plant and machinery, like profit on asset, sale on asset. These are the GLs we have been created in earlier class. So we have to assign the GL account through this assignment of the accounts for the automatic posting. So whenever the end user keep on posting the transaction, so it should hit the GL account. So for that reason, what we are going to do is nothing but we have to assign the GL accounts. How to assign the GL accounts means like if you see here, this is the path SPRO, IMG, or else you can instead of SPRO, you can go with the SIMG. Directly it will go to the IMG screen. In IMG screen, if you see here, the financial accounting, asset accounting, or else you can go with the /n ORFA is the transaction code for the only account asset accounting. You can do the configuration. In this, if you see here, the accounting assigned. So if you see here, where it is, organization structure. See, assign the chart of depreciation, assign the GL accounts. Now, what is our chart of depreciation? Do you remember?
No, sir. Don't remember.
Actually, what's your company code? Actually, TMT1, no? What's your
No, it's
company?
BAGM. BAJM.
PAGM.
Oh, okay. Maybe the BHM, I think so. Yes, this is the one, correct? Yes. So just we have to select this and we have to go with the account determination, double click here and go to the position and you have to give the account determination. BA, PN, BAJ, PNM, no? We have been given account determination, plant and machinery, Bajaj Motors, BAJ. Yes. We just select this and go to the balance sheet and we have been done with this step here. We have been assigned. You can see here, we have been assigned these things. What are the GL accounts we have been created? The plant balance sheet, like plant and machinery 1007, loss made on asset retirement 3004, loss due to scrapping. These are all the things we have been done. Go to the depreciation. Here also we have been given the accumulated depreciation and depreciation. So whenever system has calculating the depreciation and accumulated depreciation, then it will be hit this GL account through this account determination. So we have been done with this step. Okay. So up to here we have been done. From here onwards, we have to do, if you see here, we have been done. So specify the document type for posting of depreciation. So the depreciation document type is nothing but like if you see how to see the document type /n OB A7 is the transaction code, just press enter. And if you see here, go to the position and AF is the document type for the depreciation calculation. So depreciation posting, just select this line item, go to the details. And if you see here, 01 is the number range, go to the number range, and we have to give our company code BAJM. So what is the use of these things? Nothing but like whenever the user posting the transaction of asset related, so it will be generating the document number of the depreciation from this number. So what we have to do is we have to do this we have been given 01 2025 1000 to 1,999 has been given. Within this it will goes and it will be hit the document number. So there is no use of giving this particular number range. Already number range 01 has been assigned. From that number range, it will take the document number. So that's just for the sake of seeing this only. So OBS 7, no need to create a document type. So SAP has already given the standard document type AF. Double click on AF and document type and create the number range and assign it. So it is there. So here if you see a determination of depreciation in the asset class. So that part is this, and SPRO, IMG reference, accounting new, or else you can go with the ORFA, and in ORFA, if you see valuation, determine the depreciation area in the asset class. So if you see here, we in this step, like if you go for the ORFA, only it is related to the asset accounting. So in asset accounting, what we have to do is nothing but like in valuation. Just accounting, asset accounting valuation area. Where is that valuation area? Valuation will be there. Can you see anywhere in valuation here? General valuation. General valuation, determine the depreciation area. Determine the depreciation asset class. Okay. You can see the accounting entry. So determine the depreciation in asset class. Determine the depreciation in asset class. OAYZ is the transaction code. Just here I have been mentioned. So this is the one. Determine the depreciation area in asset class. So determine the depreciation in asset class. Just execute it. So here we have to go with the click on position, give your asset class and press enter button. So what is your asset class? VA, J, P, and M. Just select this, go to the depreciation area. In this depreciation area, what we have to do? We have been done with this step also, yeah. Select the layout 2000, deselect the deactivate. This is also we have been done. Our company code is BAJM, correct? Depreciation area, the art of depreciation also BAJM. So if you see here, this is the thing. This is all done, no? Like Madhuji, we have been done all those things like up to asset class also we have been created, correct?
Sir, we have done up to automatic posting, sir. Automatic posting was pending.
Where is the automatic posting? 1 minute. Field control method also there. This all we have been done, Madhuji.
Yes,
Appreciation key. Yes, 1 minute. You have to create the end user steps, correct? I've been activated this also. If you see here, just I want to check one by one. So it's very easy for us. Okay. Up to where we have been done, we'll see. Okay. See. If you see here, determination of depreciation area in asset class, OAYZ /n OAYZ. Just plus enter. So if you see here asset class, BA, J, P, and M, plant and machinery. Just press enter. And just select this depreciation area we have been done, deactivated. This is that was been done. After that, we have to go with the we have been activated or not once 1 minute. Okay, it was been done. After that, check one by one. Don't worry. OA Y0. OA Y0. The rounding of we have been done with something else. PHI. This is the one we have been done. If you see, we have been done the rounding of automatic calculate depreciation and depreciation calculation method /n AFAMS. The center. This is the one. Okay. what we have to do, click on position, multi-level. Multi-level what we have been given. This step was not been done, correct? VAJM. Chart of depreciation percent. Yes, we have been given. Yeah. Just we have to go. Multi-level what we have to do. Straight line method, SL. We have to do straight line method. We have been done this step also. We already do. We see here this step. Fill up the details and mention double click on levels. It has been done. Okay. Maintain period control AFAMP. Just percentage. Just percentage. Period control. Total calculation. What is the period control we have been given? Do you have any idea? Reagent. Just percentage. What is the period control we have been given? Percentage. Check years. Oh, 1 minute. BAJM. Yes. This is the one. Just put a tick mark. Okay, we have been done with this thing. It's done. After that, you have to check carefully. If you miss any step, means it won't calculate. Slash n AFAMA slash n AFAMA. Go to the position. Depreciation key, what we have in VAJM. We'll see. Assignment calculation method. We have been activated this also. So come back and come back. It was being inactive. You have to put it as active. You just select this and you have to activate it. Field control VAJ in startup depreciation VAJ is not defined. Okay, it was being activated. If you see here, it was being activated. And user steps. From here, we have to create. We have been created one asset master also, correct? Hash and AS03 is to display the asset class. The company code VAJ HSF 1000, I think so. Yes. Yeah, we have been created Madhuji, useful of having given this. Mm. Now we have to go for the purchase of asset. Okay, Madhuji, are you there? Waiting for us to join. What is happening to this network? Ashmi. Ashmi?
Hello, sir. Sorry, my internet got disconnected again.
Oh, yes, it's not. Sometimes it may happen, Ashmi, I understand. Like, so I'm like
Yeah,
searching that you are there. So this weather due to here also sometimes like it's not weather is not
yeah,
good. I have been changed with the other network. So we have
yeah.
been done with
Even
the some
mine
steps.
also. Oh, it got. I connected to mobile data. Where is Madhukar?
Okay. Madhukar also like left like his network also issue is there, I think. So I'm not seeing that I'm telling like, from here, but no, I'm asking, I'm not getting response. So I thought that something is happened, like I checked with the teams.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Can you continue? Somewhere I dropped it. I don't
Ah,
know.
okay, okay. These are the
Okay.
things we have been checking one by one, like up to where we have been done. So one we are
Okay.
checking. Right now we are in correct phase, like purchase of asset we came. So now we are going to purchase the asset. How to this from here onwards and user steps we are performing. Is it okay? So my screen is visible now. My screen is visible. Ashmi, my screen is visible.
Hello.
My screen is visible.
No, sir. Yeah, it's visible.
Hmm.
It's visible, sir.
It's visible, no? Yes.
Yes.
What are you doing, Ashmi? Are you okay?
Yeah, yeah. I am doing fine. I am having network issue. I connected to
Oh,
through mobile data.
okay, okay. Understood, understood.
Yeah.
So here we are going to purchase one asset. How to purchase the asset is the end user task. Like F-90 is the transaction code. Here, if you go and see F-90 have been given acquisition for purchase of the vendor. So I will give the acquisition date is like 01/04 financial year starting to show the how the system is calculating depreciation month on month. So that's the reason I have been taken as like first of the financial year. So if you give here the dates name, what is financial year? 01/04 2025. Something already has been put one message. Sir, network issue, I got disconnected. Yes, everybody is having network issue. Okay. Mm. So if you see here, just calm down. And 31 is the posting key. What will be the accounting entry? Inventory is the debit. Asset is going to debit and vendor is going to credit. Correct? So what is your
Yes.
asset? You have to check. 1000 is the asset for us. Why? Because we have been created one asset now. So if you see here, the asset will appear over here. So this is the okay. How to change the company code? Yeah, it will not be change the company code. BAJM. Our company code is BAJM, correct?
Yes, sir.
BAJM. Little bit of confusion is there. So why? Because if you are not being attended from starting, no, so little bit of it will be there.
Yeah.
If you check the video, you will be comfort. So I just
Sir,
want to
when
go for
we,
the.
one second, when we work, in the company, these all steps we have to follow, how it is.
Ah,
When we,
yes, good question. Like when we are working as a consultant, the inputs has been provided by the client only. Okay, what he is going to calculate on which depreciation and all those things, he will be giving the inputs. So based on that inputs, we do the configuration and we check with these things like whether it's calculated in the system or not. We will check. As an end user, he keep on posting the transaction F-90 and he will be running the depreciation month and activity 31st of every month, whatever the day is the last day of the particular month, he will be doing the things. So the system automatically calculate the depreciation and I will show you how it will be. Okay. System
okay, okay.
automatically pass the accounting entry. That's the reason we have been made the account determination GL accounts we have been given. No, so our system automatically pass the accounting entry. So for that, what he will do, end user, he just simply give the one T code and he will run that particular thing. Then system automatically trigger the GL that particular thing. So if you see here, what will be happen? Or if you purchase one asset, for the asset we are
Mhm.
going to calculate the depreciation. So month on month accumulated depreciation will be goes on to the complete depreciation for the 1 year. I have been quoted one example, like if you have been purchased the depreciation for 1 lakh, sorry, as purchase of asset 1 lakh, and the useful life is 10 years, then 1 lakh by 10 means like 10,000 per month per year, correct? Depreciate the value of the asset. So in order to depreciate, we should not pass the depreciation for 1 year at a time. So month on month, we have to do the calculation, correct?
Yes.
So for that, they will run the depreciation every month, month ending. So after completion of 12 months, 1 year will be done. The 10,000 should be less in the balance sheet under the asset side. So what will be the asset value after completion of 1 year? 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000 will be the asset value after 1 lakh. We keep on reducing after 10 years, the asset value should be zero. Why? Because the useful life we have been given the 10 years, correct? 10 years into 10,000, the zero value will be there, asset will be zero. In between, if you have been sold the asset, if you get the profit or loss, the system will calculate. Why? Because like if you have been purchased the asset for 1 lakh, if you have been sold the asset for the particular of 80,000, 70,000, 30,000, the differential amount is there. No, that will be shown the asset on sale. Are you getting? That I
Yes,
will
sir.
show you. That I will show you. So my sincere advice is nothing but you have been missed the classes, no? Just have a look and you just listen the recording. Then you will be getting the flow.
Sure, sure.
It's very easy only. If you concentrate, it is very easy for you. Do not get confused. It's very easy. So here what we have been done, just we are purchasing asset. So what the purchase of asset F-90, there we have to give the accounting like posting key system has all been given. 31 is the posting key for the debit the asset. So I have been given the asset number over here and everything is in the document. If you see here, you have to you have to press enter. Just press, fill up the details and mention above, press enter. So here you have to press the enter. So the periods haven't existed line item. Okay, just press enter. Why? Because we have been entered in previous months. Just I have been purchased this asset for 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So text been asset purchased. So the posting key is nothing but like what we are going to credit it. What we are going to credit? We are going to credit the vendor, correct? Am I correct? Inventory asset account debit and vendor account credit. Am I correct? Asset credit posting key is the 70. In asset, the posting key 70 determines the credit. So we have to give the 70. And if you see debit, so debit the asset. That is the like what the vendor is credit. 31 is the credit posting key for the vendor, and here 70 is the posting key for the asset debit. So we just see here which account asset 1000 is our asset. So if you see here BAJM, this is the asset we have been created. So you have to select this thing, and after selecting this, like you have to give the transaction type as 100. 1 minute. Transaction type 100. So here the transaction types has been given by the SAP. Like we can create the as per the norms like external asset acquisition we have been created. So we have to give the 100. And after that, what we have to do, fill up the details mentioned above, press enter. We have to press enter. Just press enter. Something technical clearing account is not maintained for the chart of accounts. Here I have been stopped the thing, correct? Technical clearing account. So technical clearing account is nothing but like in SAP S for HANA, the technical clearing account has been came. So as you people know that when we are going to purchase any inventory, the GRIR will be the offsetting entry. So here the technical clearing account will determine the two more line items. Like if you have been purchased asset from the particular vendor, so the system will give you the particular thing like a asset debit, technical clearing account credit. So after that, when we are going to see these things, like it will be showing the technical clearing account debit and vendor will be created. So in order to bifurcate into two parts, like technical clearing account has been came. So how to do this technical clearing account? Just I will let you know. I will send the material for this thing, technical clearing account. So if you read this, you will be understanding. So for a while, just I want to show the document. 1 minute. Just I want to search for that particular thing. Here we have been stopped. Yeah. Mm, it's technical clearing account. Mm, That's it. No, 1 minute. Mm. Yes, I want to share the screen. Now it's okay. So the technical clearing account for the integrated asset acquisition GL mapping, the system ensures that technical clearing account for the integrated asset acquisitions has a balance of zero for each ledger and account assignment object for every accounting principal in chart of depreciation so that the system can ensure the zero balance. Manual posting cannot be made to the account. The account does not appear in the balance sheet, but in the note to financial statement since it has a zero balance. So for this, we are this SAP S/4HANA technical clearing account has been came. So what we have to do, like we have to create one technical clearing account, and GL account has to be created, and we have to assign the GL account to the particular thing. So if you see here, just I want to show you. Want to show you. I want to close this and. Just I want to show you previous one. Previous one. Technical clearing account is comes under which group? Just I want to check, please. Okay, this server is not there. Just give me time. I can show you where it is. So we can create under the asset, I think. So technical clearing account. 1 minute, huh? Just I want to check with this technical clearing account where it is being created. Yes, we have been taken previous one. 10. Something. So yes. In asset side, we are going to create this like we just if you see here, just I want to copy this from which company go to which like what is the availability. So if you see here, this is the one. I've been created technical clearing account. It's offsetting entry for this particular line item wise it will be dividing. For that, as per HANA, the technical clearing account has been came. So Just we have to create one technical clearing account on our asset side, and we have to assign the technical clearing account so that it will be splitting into two line items. One is like I've been told, so some it is offsetting like before going to the particular asset account data to vendor account credit, it will be offsetting entry as technical clearing account and asset account debit and technical clearing account credit, and as well as like it will take other entry two line items like technical clearing account debit and vendor will be credit. So that technical clearing account credit and this technical clearing account debit will be nullifying, and it will be showing the asset accounting as asset will be debit and vendor will be credit. As we know that this will be the accounting entry, but the thing is like in as per HANA technical clearing account has been came into the picture, so we have to create the technical clearing account in the asset side. So if you see here, this is the balance sheet item, technical clearing account, control data. These are the things as a reconciliation account, we have to take it into consideration, and as like a digital one, this is the one we have to create. So here we are going to create under our like a company code BAJM and just press enter. In asset side, we have to go with the technical clearing account, just create it. 1009 is the next number. And if you see here, this is the BAJM for our company code. We are going to create the technical clearing account and type in description. And if you see here, this is the balance sheet item and this is the asset. Just 1 minute, please. Yes. If you see here, this is the technical clearing account. We are going to create the GL account and you have to mention the description. What is 1009? You have to give the technical CLR clearing account. You have to specify this technical account. So control data and just go to the this is the reconciliation account of asset, and you have to go with the sort key 001 and just create the bank interest, and here you have to do the G01. That's the thing. Is the creation of the technical clearing account. Now we are into step like if you see here while posting this posting this transaction like asset purchase, the system has been thrown the error the technical clearing account. We have to mention the assign the technical clearing account which was been created by us. If you see here, it is redirecting to the screen like technical clearing account, new entry, and what is this chart of accounts? What's our chart of account? BAJM. Under the BAJM, what is the technical clearing account we have been created? We have to assign the GL account here. If you see here, these are the GL accounts. This is the chart of accounts of the BAJM. So if you see here, just now we have been created a technical clearing account on asset side. Just you have to assign, you have to save it. That's the thing. Now we can post the purchase of asset. How to post the purchase of asset? This is the end user task F-90. And for suppose like they have been purchased this asset on the first month of the financial year, that is 014-2025, and purchase of asset have been given. So if you see here, the system will calculate the depreciation from 1st of April. So why? Because we have been purchased this asset from 1st of April. So that's the reason I want to show you the depreciation, accumulated depreciation for each and every month. 2025, and just come down and make sure that the company code is your company code should be there. And 31 is the posting key for the vendor credit. So who is our vendor? Just select this vendor over here. So if you see here, two vendors are there. Just I want to pick a, and just I want to press enter. And if you press enter, the system is telling that you are doing the previous thing. So intentionally, we are passing the accounting entry on the previous month, that is April. So what is the value of the asset you have been purchased? 1 lakh rupees. So if you see here, the text you have to give. What is the text? In asset purchased. So what is the posting key? 70 is the posting key, debit the asset. So what is the accounting entry? We have to debit the asset. What is the asset number over here? BAJM. So if you see, select this is the asset number, 1000. And what we have to give here? You have to select the 100 transaction key, means external asset acquisition. Just press enter. No, you have to give the star over here, or else you can give the amount. So if you want to copy the amount for the same amount 1 lakh rupees from the previous screen to this screen, you can use the star. And if you want to copy the text from previous screen to this screen, you can do the plus symbol over there. Or else you can give the amount and you can type also. Instead of these two things, just if you do the star, amount will be copied from that place to here, and text is nothing but plus. Just press enter. If you press enter, 1 lakh rupees and be in asset purchase. So if you see here, this is the end user task. When they are going to purchase any asset, they will post like this. And if you see here, what they are going to do after this, if you see here, they have been given these things, and you have to go to the document and you have to simulate it. Go to the document and just simulate to see the accounting entry. So what will be the accounting entry? This is the accounting entry. When we are going to post the document 1/4/2024, starting of the financial year, you have been purchased one asset and posting date is same, and document type is KR. This is the vendor invoice, and for which company code BAJM, the currency is INR, the period 1. Why? Because starting financial year starting from April to March. April is the first month. This is the header data, and coming to the line item wise. So if you see here, KK and Co is the vendor for us. He is giving the credit basis like we have been purchased the assets. So vendor will be always credit. The posting key is 31 is the credit posting key. Posting key for the credit posting key 31 for vendor, and asset is nothing but like debited. 1009 is the asset for us. So if you see here the asset number, so it is the 70 is the debit posting key. Two line items, then we are going to post the transaction. So how to post the transaction? Just we have to click the post. So if you see here, the accounting entry has been came. So save it. We have to save it. How to save? Just save it. If you see here, the document 1023 was saved. Now what we are going to see, the system has to calculate the depreciation for the 1 lakh rupees. Useful life 10 years we have been given in the depreciation calculation. So it has to be calculated for the 10 years. How much the depreciation is going to calculate, system will be showing automatically. On that month by month, like by 12, every month it will be showing the accumulated depreciation has to be calculated. So we will see how to see that thing. Asset Explorer, asset balances we have to see. AW01N is the transaction code. AW01N /N. AW01N is the transaction code. Just press enter. This is the Asset Explorer. If you see here in Asset Explorer, we are using the IFRS, like International Financial Reporting Standards we have been used. The depreciation area, book depreciation we have been used. For vendor, we have been purchased KK and Co. And GL account is the plant and machinery, the GL account, which was been used by us. So if you see here, the company code BHAM, asset is 1000, that is the grinder. If you see here 2025, APC means like acquisition purchase cost is nothing but 1 lakh rupees, and acquisition value is 1 lakh rupees. Ordinary depreciation is 10,000 rupees INR. If you see here, when it was been purchased, 1/4/2025 asset value date, and amount, how much amount we have been purchased, 1 lakh rupees. The transaction type 100, external asset acquisition. So if you see here, what we are going to do is nothing but like, if you see, this is the one. So we want to show you the asset master of this particular 1000. If you see the asset master, which was being while creating the asset master, so 1000 BA under the asset class BA, J, P and M. So the grinder here we have been given the depreciation area. So how we have been given the depreciation is 01 book depreciation, LINR is the depreciation key. So useful life 10 years. So a life, this is the like sum of the amount you have been purchased by divided by useful life, then it will be calculating when it was being depreciation start date 1/4/2025. So if you see here asset value, just go to the asset value. This is the one. If you see here, just see the document and you will be knowing all this. This is the thing you have been seeing. So we see the ordinary depreciation for this. Ordinary depreciation 10,000. Why? Because like 1 lakh divided by 10, 10,000 is to be calculated ordinary depreciation year on year. So after completion of 10 years, 10 into 10,000, 1 lakh should be zero. Asset value should be nil. So how to calculate the depreciation? You purchase of the asset value by useful life. 1 lakh by 10 is 10,000 per year. So how to calculate for the month on month it will be accumulated. So you have to divide 10,000 by 12. So whatever the amount is there every month, from the April onwards, that month has to be accumulated, and after completing the financial year March ending, it has to be 10,000 has to be deducted on the balance sheet item, and under the asset side 90,000 will be shown. Are you getting, Madhuji and Ashmi?
Yes, sir.
System automatically calculating, just we have been given these things, so system will calculate. So I will show you the things, and if you see here, these are the things. So if you see here, this is the posted value. So if you see here the posted value, the system will calculate the system, how the system is calculating. So when we are going to purchase the asset 1 lakh and acquisition value is 1 lakh, if you see single one by one, so if you see here, all the planned values is there. So until, like, if you see here 10,000 divided by 12, how much the amount will be? 833 per month. So first period, this is the first month, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. This is the October, correct? So the system will calculate automatically for 1 lakh for the year, and accumulated depreciation has to be like planned value should be like every month it has to be detected 833 rupees. Correct? Are you getting? For 12 months, it's showing 833. So if you multiply 833 into 12, almost it will be coming to 10,000. So per year, 1,000 has to be depreciation has to be detected from the asset side of the balance sheet. Correct? 90,000 will be. So this is the planned values. So every month the user has to run the depreciation. Then every month it will be accounting entry will be passed by the system only. So every month we have to pass the entry. Okay. Madhuji, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yashmi?
Yes, sir. But
We are not done anything.
confused.
Bit confused. So you just see the video. System automatically calculate. We are not done anything else. So just to understand that asset value is 1 lakh. Okay. Useful life is 10.
Okay.
So how much the depreciation has to be calculated? 10,000. So 10,000 per year means per month how it will be? 10,000 by 12. So 833. Correct? This is the
Yeah.
first month. This second month. Wow. It will be like divided in the 12 months. Like 12 months, so 833 means the 10,000 figure. At last, after completion of 1 year, the depreciation entry will be calculated. So for each and every month, it's showing planned value. So the end user task is nothing but ending of the month, 31st or 30th. So he or she has to run the depreciation. Then only the system automatically pass the accounting entry. So I will show you, don't worry. So these are the things, these are the calculation system has been done. So comparisons. Now you will be understanding very well. So if you see here, book depreciation 2025 to 2035, why? Because 10 years is the useful life. Now we have been purchased in the first of the April, and what we after completion of the 10 years of the useful life, what will be the year 2035, correct? So started with the 1 lakh rupees, and if you see here, acquisition 1 lakh, first year 10,000, second year 10,000, third year 10,000, up to 35, the book value should be zero, correct? If you count this 10,000, 2025 to 2035, 1 lakh has been rounded off. If you see here, first year 10,000, 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000. 90,000 minus 10,000, 80,000. 80,000 minus 10,000, 70,000. 70,000 minus 1,000, 10,000, 60,000. Like if you see here, it was been nullified, correct? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This has to be done every month accumulated. No, every month they have to pass a single transaction code over there. System automatically pass the accounting. So I will show parameters. If you see here, what are the parameters we have been used? Depreciation key is LINR, straight line from the remaining life book value 0, and useful life is 10 years. And if you see here, remaining life is 10 years. When it was been started, the depreciation 1/4/2025. So if you see here, these are the things we have been given. Okay, understood? These are the how it was been came. It came from the asset class. Okay, master data of the particular asset. Here we have been given that this is the straight line method by useful life of the acquisition value. When it was been acquired, it was been came like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll stop over here, and tomorrow what we are going to do is nothing but what are the planned values is posted values is shown in the planned values. No, each and every thing you will be seeing. Like for every month, like starting of the April, we have been purchased. So the day itself on pro rata basis, it will be calculating month on month accumulated depreciation. The month end activity is the one of the activity has to be performed by end user by passing the depreciation. So how to run the depreciation, I will show, and this should be like automatically hit the GL account. So I will show all those things. If you see here, next we have to do this is the depreciation run. How to run the depreciation is nothing but like an user pass this T code EFEAB and he will give the company code and fiscal year the posting period for which period he want to run the depreciation. Like, it will pass the accounting entry. So I will let you know tomorrow's class. Then you will be feel comfort and you will see the accounting entry also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Madhuji, just remember this like 1000 is the asset number. Okay. So that's it. 1000 is a set number, that's it. So this is the values has been created. So month on month, it should be rounding off up to October, it has been shown. So we have to clear the up to October and it should show, it should pass the accounting entry. This is the how to run the like a depreciation run, year and month and activity has to be performed by the end user. Okay, clear no, Madhuji?
Yes, sir.
Ashmi, please do refer the video. Just I want to send this document to you also. Like you will be understanding better way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you feel
Sir, I
discomfort,
have
then
one
just
question, like not
tell me.
regarding this today's class. So after end of the class, will you give any like assignment to perform as, or we have to do like our own? How it is?
What I have been told, no, like that you have to do. Just take the one company code, just what you just see this and you will be understanding and you can, as per the business, no, like we can't do pucky to pucky. So whatever I have been explained, no, just take it as example, just you can do
Okay.
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
and one more thing, like they said for the resume, they will give the updates,
Uh,
like what to
uh,
update, those things and all
uh,
they'll give. Yeah,
they
give.
will give sure. They will give sure. Why? Because as like we have, I have to tell one thing for you. Like this
Mm-mm.
institute is there, no? It was been like
Yeah,
done with the authorized partner with the SAP.
okay,
Mm.
okay.
Recently, it was
Yes,
been done. Earlier, it was, yes. So I got. I think you have been got the message also. So so the
okay,
everybody,
sir.
the team is there. Don't worry. They will look after all those things, resume writing and all those things. And they are having the portal also. They will look after all the things. Don't worry. Please
Okay.
do the practice
Yeah.
from your side. If you are perfect, then we can move on. If you are not perfect, means how can we go? So you are having ample of time. Don't worry that we are going to say, finish the syllabus. But the thing is, you
Okay.
just practice. You just let me know where you are. So that just from there I can help you. Know that's the thing.
Yeah, sir. If I have any doubt, I will ping you. If you
Sure,
have
sure,
time,
sure.
just explain me. Yeah.
Sure, sure. I will explain. No, I will explain. Madhuji
Yeah.
having a good exposure in the accounts and finance since he is working from 30 to 34 years, I think. So he has been seeing all those things, but he is like seeing the configuration, how it is hitting, he is seeing. That's it. Am I correct, Madhuji?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Correct.
So we can like Madhuji is anything else small like in the concept of accounting. So if she need any help, just help her. Like, of course, she is also like have
Yeah,
experience,
sure,
good
sure.
experience, but she's having the capability and caliber to understand like that. So if anything else, just uh, if needed, like Ashmi, you take help of Madhuji also. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
If you are comfort, yes. Why? Because like I
Yeah.
know about the Madhuji, he is very much experienced and he has shown
Yeah,
they have good
I am
exposure.
work. Yeah, I am working in like operations, not accounting field. So whatever
Yeah,
I studied, I like it literally I forgot everything. Now I
yes.
should start like from beginning. It is
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Of course, you
Yeah.
have been done with the so things passed away, but if you recollect all those things, you will come. You need not worry about the accounting entries and all. Nobody asks the accounting entries. Okay, just the configuration, how
Okay.
we are doing, how it is triggering. Just focus on that. That's it.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Just I want to wind up the session and we will be having the tomorrow good session. Like tomorrow onwards, I will take a little bit of extra time. So if possible, so we have to complete it. So I don't want to go fast, but I will go slowly only. Just few topics are there, no? If I complete this, you can practice in this time. So that's the thing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So that's all for today, and we'll meet tomorrow by sharp 7 p.m. Okay, Madhuji. Thank you, one and all, and just do refer this thing and everything.